Dear students, it is self-practice set third from chapter 3 data handling. Question number first is the performance of students in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Dear students, here data is given. Name of subjects Hindi, English, Math, Science, Social Science. First term marks obtained in Hindi is 68, English 73, Maths 89, Science 82 and Social Science 74, and in term second Hindi 71. It is marks obtained by a student English 66, Maths 96, Science 86 and Social Science 76. After observation this table, answer the following questions. Question number first is in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Second is in which subject there is an improvement? And third is has the performance gone down in any subject? These three questions related to this table. Observe this table. At first we draw double bar graph and then answer these questions. Question number second is read the bar graph and answer the questions that follows. Here bar graph is given. It is a scale. Vertical column shows numbers 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600, and it is the year 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2004. Number of books sold by bookstore during 5 consecutive years. These years are given here. At first observe this bar graph and after it give the answer of these questions. Question number first is how many books were sold in 2000, 2001 and 2002? Second is in which years were fewer than 300 books sold? And third is find total number of books sold in 5 years. Dear students, it is very easy question. At first we observe the bar graph and after it give the answer of these questions. Question number third is the following table gives the data on population of different metropolitan cities. Draw a composite bar graph to represent the data. City, name of city Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Total population in lakh. Delhi 100, Mumbai 60, Kolkata 50 and Chennai 40. In these cities, number of males is 52 lakhs. In Mumbai 32, Kolkata 26 and Chennai 22. Number of females are 48 lakhs in Delhi, 28 lakhs in Mumbai, 24 lakhs in Kolkata and 18 lakhs in Chennai. After observing this table, give the answer of these questions. First is what scale will you choose or you use? Second, in which cities the difference between the males and females is less? And third is what is ratio of the total population of Chennai and Delhi? Questions are much easy. So I hope that we can all do very well. Question number 4 is rainfall recorded in last 6 months of a year is given below. Months July, August, September, October, November and December. Rainfall in centimeter. In July 12, in August 9 cm, September 6 cm, October 12 cm, November 6 cm and December is 3 cm. Question number first is draw a bar chart to represent the above data. At first we need to draw bar graph to show this data. Second, in which 2 months there is maximum rainfall, and third is which month has the minimum rainfall. At first we draw bar graph and after it give the answer of these questions. Question number 5 is the following data gives the production of tractors of a company during different years. Years are 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Number of tractors in thousands, that is written here 16, 20, 24, 32, 40, 42 and 48. At first we observe this data, this table and give the answer. At first draw bar graph to represent above data. Second question is in which year maximum tractors were sold and how many? And third is write the number of tractors sold in 2003, 2004 and 2005. Dear student, in this video I hope that you all do all these questions carefully and easily. Thank you. In next video we will discuss next question. Thank you.